Hey guys. All right, so I already started opening this because I thought it was recording. It wasn't. A lot of you guys know how much of a huge fan I am of Ben Heine. He is my favorite artist. I have been a fan of his since 2009, since my son was like 9 or 10 years old. So I've been a fan for almost 11 years. I could never afford his art because I was a single mom, and now that my son has a full-time job and pays his own bills, I was finally able to afford. I'm gonna cry, I'm so happy. This really made my day. I'm so glad I got this because I've been crying for over 2 days because of the passing of my uncle. So this really uplifted my spirits. I know it's just art to other people, but I've just been a fan for so long, and to finally be able to afford his art, he was very generous with the prices. I can't thank him enough for that, because to finally be able to have this in my home means so much to me, and now I'm crying happy tears. Oh, I'm so emotional. Oh, I'm so excited. I just cannot wait to open this and see it for myself. Thank you again, Ben, so much. I gotta be very careful. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's signed them. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Ben. Oh my God, what a beautiful surprise. Oh my God, you are wonderful. You are so wonderful. Oh my God. Oh my God, he signed it. I'm gonna show you a better. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. I don't know where to put them. I don't want to injure them at all. Or, oh, I can't put these down. Hold on, I need to get something else. I had to take a break. I was crying so bad. I can't believe he signed it. I had to get another piece of cardboard to put it on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ben, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, that was so kind of you. I'm glad my face isn't showing, because I'm definitely ugly crying again. Oh my gosh. Ben, these are amazing. These are so amazing. And they're hard. Wow. I'm so impressed. I gotta take my watch off. I don't want to ruin them. Oh dear golly. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh, the colors. Wow. Wow. These are incredible. Oh my God, I cannot wait to hang these. Look, guys. They even have hangers on them. Amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, they look amazing online, obviously, but in person? Do you know how long he spent making these? These were made in 2010, I believe. The bubble art, and then I think these were 2011 or 2012, I think. I want to show you guys the art. Gosh, ain't it beautiful? Okay, I just wanted to get a little bit up close more with detail. As you guys can see how incredible the details are. Look at that. Man, that's incredible. There's this one here. Gosh, they're so beautiful. Look at all those details. Such an incredible artist. It's amazing. And we have this one. This one is the very first piece of art I ever found of his. I found it on Facebook. And I love it. I love it even more. Look at that. This is a specially made printed one for me. This isn't a signature over the painting. He actually edited this, printed it, created the canvas for me. Incredible. But that's amazing. That's in the painting. Amazing. Look at that. And let me show you the details. Every tiny little circle. Amazing. Last but not least, we have Marilyn Monroe. This is amazing. This is the second one I ever found of his, and then the other two ones are the pencil and canvas ones I love so much. They aren't the first ones I ever saw of his, but they're one of my favorites.